Hey guys, today we're answering a quick question. Can you use the Chai app for free? So here's the deal. Chai recently updated their app and now some countries can't use it for free anymore. In those places, you'll need a premium subscription to keep chatting. But don't worry, there's still a free trial if you pick the yearly plan. That lets you test the app without paying. Another option is to download an older version of the app on your phone. Sometimes that still works for free. If neither of these works, you might just need to check out other similar apps for now and keep an eye on the Chai subreddits for updates. Maybe they'll fix this soon. So yeah, free use depends on where you are and the version you're using. That's it for today, hope it helps. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.